Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, karibu sana. So in today's video, I am going to show you how I clean and organize my pantry. It's sort of a pantry tour and also a pantry organization video. So let's get started. I am using the Astonish antibacterial surface cleanser to clean the surfaces of the pantry, and then I'm going to wipe that down with a damp cloth. So as you can see, the first shelf and the second shelf, they're a bit different because this was not there in the beginning. I did this myself because I wanted more storage space. So I added this shelf and another shelf at the bottom. You're going to see that later on.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
So this is how dirty it was. I am going to go in with a second wipe just to be thorough. It's not that dusty as it's the rainy season right now, so it's kind of clean, as I've seen more dust coming out of this pantry. Let's get into the organization. So I'm going to start with the top shelf, then as we go down, as I explain to you where I got everything. So this is the first type of jars. I bought this from Naivas a while back. 3 of them were going for 900 bob, and then the labels I got from Labels Kenya. These are pantry labels. The pantry labels 20 are going for 600, so you can go check them out. So those go there. Then I have the self-raising flour go next. So what goes next is the all-purpose flour, and then I have Uji flour. So that is it for the top shelf. They're not really normally that deep, so I like to have them at the front so that I can access, and also I can use the back for extra storage if I have anything that does not fit. So let's now go to the second shelf. So the second shelf is where I put my spices and sauces and chili. So I put them in this basket. I got this basket from Zion Kitchenware in Nakuru. It goes for 400, but you can get them in kamukunji at a cheaper price. And then for my spices, I made this, I think this is I made this 3x3 wood and sanded it down so that it could hold my spices in a stair, because we all know how expensive those spice racks are. So I have this. The second one goes behind there, and since I have this bracket, I pull them at the front so that they can sit properly. And then the final is this this piece of wood which goes at the front. I hope it makes kind of a stair, so this will form the first step, the second step, and then on the shelf that will be the third and final step for the spices. I got these spice jars from Labels Kenya, also a set of 15 plus the label were going for 1500 bob, and I thought that was a steal. I don't know if the offer is still running, but they have really cute jars for spices and they're very affordable. So now for the second shelf. So I measured the jar's height so that the spice labels at the back, someone can be able to read them. And then now the final step, I just put them on the pantry shelf. My curry powder is running out. I forgot to buy some. So yeah, that is my spice rack. I don't know if you can see clearly or it's a bit washed out. Here I have garam masala, cardamom, cinnamon, cumin, pilau masala powder. This I make myself. I will show you one of these fine days. And then, so this first rack, I call it my pilau spices. And then the second shelf, I have chili flakes, fish masala, mixed herbs, chicken masala, and cayenne. This is the spices that I don't go for the most, so they are at the middle. And then down here, I have Royco, curry powder, coriander, paprika, turmeric. It's not a Kenyan home if you don't have Royco. So these are the spices I reach for the most. So a total of 15, and I think they are really cute. So in between the basket and the spices, there is an awkward space, which I am going to show you what I store in there. So in the middle here, I have my dry yeast. So I just slide that to the back, and then I have coconut flakes. So that goes on top there. And then here, this is where I put my whole spices. I don't like mixing them. So I put that, and then at the front, my cubes, and that is my spice area. So in here, I have baking soda, there is baking powder, there is extra. I really like this for meat. This is meat masala, mother's recipe. And then I have my spices here, my chili sauces, sorry. Mostly chica chica. This one came as a free gift when I bought the sauce. And then I have this Heinz hot sauce. Now we are going to move to the third shelf. So this is the first, second. Now let's move to the third. As you go lower, the things become heavier and bulkier. So that's why I wanted to have the heavy stuff at the bottom shelves. So the third shelf is where I put my grains and other things. So I have these clip jars. Oh, these were recycled, by the way, so I didn't buy them. These were the ones which came with coconut oil. I did not buy them. I just removed the stickers, washed them and repurposed them so that I could put other things in them. And then now to the third shelf, I bought these clip jars from Jumia from a store called MI Kitchen. 6 of them were going for 3,400. So on the pantry I have 4 pieces because in my breakfast area I have other 2 big ones. So I have my ndengu there, and then I have beans, I have popcorn, and lastly I have the cereal of the month. So I don't buy the same cereal, the extra cereal, every month. I like to experiment other types of cereal. So this jar is for kamande, dal, or any other cereal that I buy for that month. These now are the pantry labels I got from Labels Kenya. As I said, 20 were going for 600 bob. And then now I don't leave it like that. I add other jars at the front so that since it's deep kidogo. So in front here I have my chevda, I have oats here. So these jars, the big ones are 2,000 liters, so that's 2 liters. Then these ones are 750 ml. I got these from Woolmart Nakuru. One was going for 385, so I think I have 6 of these, but here I only put 4. So I'm going to show you the other ones. Also, the third jar here is powdered sugar, and then I have my candy. This is normally this side there, and that's how I like this space. It's not cluttered. I like that I have a bit of space left over at the front, so that for instance if I want to grab the beans, I just move this to the side and then get it. That's why I left the space at the front. So now to the 4th shelf. The 4th shelf is for my pasta. We really love pasta in this house, so I wanted a space to have all the different types of pasta that we eat. So I have these extra long jars that I bought in Naivas, the one in Naivasha. So the one in Nakuru didn't have, and I was in Naivasha for my field work, so I bought these 4 of them. So I am going to put them there. And then the other one is this. So I have another one there. And then now I have my spaghetti. So this is the farfalle, penne, fusilli, and normal kawaida 1-strand spaghetti. But now I had bought this a while back to put my spaghetti, but then when I found this, I was like, it would be really cute to have all the pastas in similar jars. So I decided to have this for sugar, plus also when I'm refilling the coffee, the sugar jar, it's really easy when I'm pouring from the side of this, as it's not really wide. So this goes over there, and I think it's really cute. So this is the other shelf that I made. As you can see, it's really not that cute, but I really love the extra space that it's offered me. So this is where I put the rice and unga ya ugali. I am going to show you that in a while. So this is where I place the rice, and this is where I put the ugali flour. So this pantry is really deep. As you can see, there is so much space left at the back. So for any extra things, that's where I put them. But for now, I just like it neat like that. These jars, you've seen them in the supermarkets. 3 normally go for 285. So I have 2 sets of these. So some are holding our son's toys, and then the 2 big ones, they're holding now ugali and the rice. And then I have 2 of them which are holding the washing powder ya kuosha na mkono, and then the other one is holding the machine powder. So the bottom part here, this is where our overflow shopping goes to. I have these cute baskets that I got from Mabel Homestyle on Instagram. One was going for 850, so I have two of them. So I have extra sugar, flour, another sugar. Down here I have unga ya uji, I have unga ya bajia, I have unga ya brown chapo, and extra flour. So this goes in there, and the other one now holds smaller things. So I have our coarse salt, I have extra baking powder, there are match boxes in here, and then I have cornflakes, chocolate spread. This is like budget Nutella. And then I have tomato sauce, spices, Royco, chumvi, extra, icing sugar, and then drinking chocolate, majani, more majani, and then here I have Indomie. So this really fits in there as well. And that is my pantry. That is everything.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young.
So the baskets, I bought 3 of them. The other basket holds the longer stuff. This is the cooking oil because I don't want it slanted, so that's where it sits in this extra basket on the fridge, because this is where our microwave used to be, but I removed it from here and placed it on the counter. So that is my pantry. It was a labor of love. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment down below on what you think about it, and please subscribe to my channel. So I am going to see you on my next video. It might be a bedroom tour, a kitchen tour. Sijui, if you have not subscribed and you're watching, majority of you people are watching my content and you're not subscribing. So please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified the next time I upload a video. And then I want to say thank you to all my viewers, Kenyans, Munan support sana. I have viewers from US, I have new viewers from Australia, South Africa, Uganda, Rwanda. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Comment down below and tell me where you're from, if you enjoyed the video, what else you'd like to see on my channel, and I will be glad to share it with you. Thank you guys. Until next time, bye.
For the animals.